Hello. In this lesson, we'll explore the various simulator tools, including Backplot, Verify, and Mastercam simulation. The first item we'll explore is Backplot. Now, Backplot exists in two different places. Also commonly known as Classic Backplot, you access the Backplot function directly from the Operations Manager, where you can select the toolpath and then click on the Backplot function. You can also access this version of Backplot by simply clicking on the toolpath within the toolpath group. As you see, the tool displays, and we have a slider bar that shows the progress of the toolpath motion, as well as another slider bar that either speeds up or slows down the motion. You have controls here including play, stop, previous stop, step back, and so forth. Simply clicking on play, you'll see that the tool moves around the part, following along the toolpath. At any point I can stop, I can zoom in, and I can click on a specific area, like right here, and the tool will move directly to that point on the toolpath. We also have options within the Backplot interface here, and if I expand it, you can see the actual coordinates of the current tool motion. So for example, if I hit stop, we can see that currently the tool is at Z minus 0.6002 with a feed rate of 100. In this dialog, we can also choose things such as displaying with color codes, which will turn on or off various color settings. You can display the tool, the holder, and rapid modes. Another tool that's used for troubleshooting is to display the endpoints. Now, turning this on may seem a little cluttered in this model. However, if you zoom in, you'll notice that every endpoint of a single G-code move is shown with a point. Now, these colors can be customized and may not reflect what's on your system. For now, I'm going to turn off the option to display endpoints. And another option is what's called Quick Verify. And the best way to show this is to use a more simple toolpath. For example, let's take this dynamic mill toolpath. If I zoom in here and I turn off the holder and turn on Quick Verify, as I scroll through, you'll see that what happens is Backplot shows the material that was essentially removed, or more importantly, the area that the tool took up as it navigated through this part. So here we can go through and see that this tool verifies going in and then simply stops right there before it retracts and rapids over to the next section. You can also customize with various options inside of Backplot. For example, if you just want to go from endpoint to endpoint, or if you want to interpolate through the motion based on a setting. There's also various options for cleaning up the screen, for fitting the toolpath, and for showing home positions. And finally, you can change the display of the tools and the colors of the toolpath. And I encourage you to explore these options, as many of them can be customized to suit your needs. And finally, the two other options we have here is the ability to save the tool geometry and to save as geometry. So the save as geometry option will actually create wireframe geometry based on the toolpath motion. In the next lesson, we'll look at Backplot and Verify within the Mastercam simulator, and we can see the differences between this Backplot version and the version of Backplot that exists in the simulator.